What's up, you guys? I thought I'd record this video since I'm here at the Junkyard. I'll show you guys. This is a 94 Explorer, basically the square body, the one before the body style that has the 8.8 with the rotors that you guys want. But if you get that flange, let me show on the other side. This one doesn't have it, but I think it's somewhere back here. Oh, I think it's this one. You get this piece, this would go onto your XJ drive shaft and it will bolt up to the 8.8, so you don't have to order one online. So if you're at the Junkyard pulling an 8.8 for your XJ, might as well find one of these and take that piece off and put it on your 8.8. I'll show you guys the 8.8 real quick, see if there's one around here. Should be, because you can find those everywhere. Well, I couldn't find one right now, but I don't want to go too far. See if there's one here. I don't see any, but this is the front end that you're looking for that flange. And also the F-150 calipers are slightly bigger than the 8.8 from the Explorers, so that should be like a little upgrade. See if I find a Ford Explorer. I think even that body style Expedition should work, I think. Let me see if I can find one. I can't find either one. And you can find those 8.8s with 410 gears. Oh, there's one here. So this is a 99, and this is the 8.8 that everyone wants for the XJs. So that flange right there wouldn't work. You would need one from the square body ones, and then swap out the calipers for the ones off of 8.8 on the F-150. They're slightly bigger, like I said. I'm not 100% sure if you have to replace the rotors, but I doubt it. The difference was here. You can see the wear on this rotor from where the brake pad is grabbing onto. And on the F-150s, it grabs a little more. So I mean, if you're pulling it from a junkyard, might as well get all those parts, slap it on the diff, and then purchase it, since they are going to charge you for everything. Thought I'd just let you guys know. We had one from an Explorer. It was trussed and everything, with 456 gears on 33s, and that thing pulled like pretty good. And another piece that you could get from out here in the Junkyard is these Dakotas. Some of these are high speed. They have the AX15, and the shifter on the XJ was a little too short for me. I felt like I had to lean over too much to reach it. And on this body style Dakota, you could get a bigger shifter, so it's a little higher, well, a lot higher actually, but you drive a little more comfortable with that one. And I guess that looks the same also. Looks like same key as the XJ. So these ignition switch also go out. You can use one from this truck. These are one of the trucks that have AX15. I think the 2-wheel drive and the 4-wheel drive is the same thing. This body style. So that's it for this video. Just a couple of things I thought I'd record while I was out here. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.